Homeowners in West Valley City, Utah, are no strangers to the challenges posed by changing weather patterns. From harsh winter snow to intense summer heat, these conditions can lead to a variety of window issues that affect energy efficiency, comfort, and overall home value. This article explores some of the most common window problems faced by West Valley City residents and offers practical solutions to address them. Drafty windows problem. Drafty windows are among the most common issues homeowners experience. They allow cold air to enter during the winter and let cool air escape during the summer, resulting in higher utility bills. Solution. Start by inspecting for gaps or cracks around the window frame. These can often be fixed with caulking or weather stripping. For more severe drafts, consider replacing single-pane windows with energy-efficient double or triple-pane alternatives, which offer better insulation. Additionally, thermal curtains can help reduce heat loss or gain, further improving the comfort of your home. Condensation build-up problem. Excessive condensation inside windows indicates a problem with temperature regulation or moisture levels. This can lead to mold growth, frame damage, and reduced window lifespan. Solution. Condensation is often caused by a lack of proper ventilation. Ensure rooms are well ventilated by using exhaust fans in areas prone to moisture, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Upgrading to double-pane windows with argon gas insulation and low emissivity, low-E, coatings can also minimize condensation. If moisture persists, check for and fix any cracks in window seals that may be letting in humid air. Broken or stuck window mechanisms problem. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock can pose a security risk and reduce convenience. In some cases, debris or wear and tear may be causing the problem. Solution. Start by cleaning and lubricating the tracks or hinges. If the window remains stubborn, inspect for broken parts like springs or latches, which may need to be replaced. When dealing with old or severely damaged window mechanisms, a professional may need to assess whether a replacement is more cost-effective than extensive repairs. Warped or cracked frames problem. West Valley City's fluctuating temperatures can cause window frames, especially wooden ones, to warp or crack. Warped frames compromise insulation, leading to increased energy bills and potential water damage. Solution. Minor cracks can be filled with wood filler or epoxy. Warped frames, however, may require replacement to maintain a tight seal and energy efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass window frames are excellent alternatives, offering durability and weather resistance. Regularly inspecting and painting wooden frames can also extend their life by protecting against the elements. Foggy windows problem. Foggy windows, often the result of failed seals on double or triple pane units, can obstruct views and signal compromised insulation. Solution. Unfortunately, this problem usually requires professional intervention. Replacing the window's insulating glass unit, IGU, or the entire window may be necessary. Ensuring proper installation and choosing windows with long warranties can prevent seal failures in the future. Noise penetration problem. Many West Valley City homes experience noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby businesses. Single-pane or poorly insulated windows are often unable to block these disturbances effectively. Solution. Upgrading to soundproof or double-pane windows with laminated glass can drastically reduce noise penetration. Sealing gaps and using heavy drapes can also provide additional noise insulation. Poor window security problem. Older windows with weak locks or simple latches can be vulnerable to forced entry, making security a top priority for homeowners. Solution. Replace outdated locking mechanisms with modern, robust locks designed to resist tampering. Consider installing additional security features, such as window bars or glass break sensors. If you have outdated windows, upgrading to modern, reinforced glass with multi-point locking systems can significantly enhance home security. Conclusion. West Valley City's diverse climate and environmental conditions can take a toll on home windows, leading to issues that affect comfort, energy efficiency, and security. By proactively addressing these problems and investing in regular maintenance, homeowners can extend the life of their windows, reduce utility costs, and ensure a safe, comfortable living environment. For complex repairs or replacements, consulting a professional can provide tailored solutions and lasting peace of mind.